Tomela. My name is Munene and I am from Nalibukamuso Science and Arts Academy, which is a center for creative education. As part of the Ruta Africa collaborative project, I run a program called Diagamele. Diagamele is a Sepedi phrase for the nurturing of the body, and at the heart of the program is the image of a child as a co-researcher, a co-learner, and a co-innovator with the environment, the parents, in order to make the child an active citizen who is able to make well-informed choices about the food that they consume as well as their view of nature. Thank you.